Have you ever imagined what your dream furry character would look like? Maybe a cyberpunk wolf with glowing neon armor, or a pastel-colored fox with magical wings? What if I told you that you could bring those ideas to life in just seconds? No drawing skills, no software installs, and absolutely no sign-ups or subscriptions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to introduce you to one of the coolest AI tools I've tried lately, the Furry Art Generator by Vheer. This tool lets you instantly generate custom furry character artwork in styles like fantasy, retro, cyberpunk, pop art, steampunk, and more. And the best part? It's 100% free, requires no sign-up, offers unlimited image generations, and adds no watermarks. Seriously. Whether you're a furry art fan, a digital creator, or just someone who loves exploring fun AI tools, you're going to love this. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works with a live demo, walk through its features, and share some amazing examples I generated myself. So, what exactly is the Furry Art Generator? It's a simple but powerful AI tool where you describe your idea and it turns it into a unique furry masterpiece in just seconds. Let's dive into the live demo and see it in action. Here's the clean and easy-to-use interface. There are many characters here. Select one. Let's go with steampunk for this one. You can also change the name of the characters here. For any character you want to generate, add the background details too. Now, you can add a prompt here, the type of furry character you want to generate. For example, I'm typing a brave steampunk lion with mechanical wings. I want something bold and mechanical. If you have any trouble writing the prompt, you can also get it written by ChatGPT. Here, you have fast and quality models. You can select either one. Aspect ratio. Going with 1:1. Perfect for vertical visuals. Click Generate. And boom, here's the magic. Look at the detailing, the textures on the fur, and those gears on the wings. Now let's test what happens when I slightly tweak the prompt to a wise steampunk lion with glowing blue eyes. And look how different the vibe is. To show you just how creative this tool can be, I created several furry characters using different styles, animals, and prompts. Fantasy fox in a forest with glowing runes. Cyberpunk wolf with neon armor. Victorian rabbit wearing a royal outfit. Cute pastel cat surrounded by clouds. Pop art lion with a comic-style twist. Retro parrot in sunglasses. Each of these was generated in seconds. You can zoom in to see how detailed the fur and accessories are. It's seriously impressive. Now you might be wondering, what can you do with this art? Here are just a few ideas. Create your personal furry avatar design characters for games, comics, or D&D. Make unique fan art, or just let your imagination run wild and have fun. But wait, Vheer has more than just furry art. Let me quickly show you 3 more awesome tools you can explore. AI Headshot Generator. Perfect for creating professional-looking avatars in seconds. Just upload a photo, pick your style, and it handles the rest. AI Action Figure Generator. This one's fun. Turn your character or prompt into an action figure style 3D look. Background remover. Simple but effective. Upload any image and remove the background instantly. Great for editing or product showcases. If you're into furry art, character design, or just want to explore what AI can create, you definitely need to try out Vheer. It's fast, free, and super fun to use. Click the link in the description below to try the Vheer Furry Art Generator yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your wildest prompt ideas in the comments. I'd love to see what you all create.